Hitachi is a Japanese multinational conglomerate founded in 1910 and headquartered in Tokyo. The company is active in a range of industries, including digital systems, power and renewable energy, railway systems, healthcare products, and financial systems. The company was founded as an electrical machinery manufacturing subsidiary of the Kuhara Mining Plant in Hitachi Ibaraki by engineer Namihei Odaira in 1910. It started as an independent company under its current name in 1920. In this video we will show you which phones Hitachi produced from 1989 to 2010, including devices for the Japanese market. 1989. 5IV1A04, British Telecom Ivory. 5IV2B01, British Telecom Ivory. HP 401. CR2170 UK was designed to be used on mobile networks using TACS, Total Access Communication System, technology. 1991. HP 411 antenna pull-out type. 1992. CRD 300. 1993. HP 421. It is the lightest in Japan and can talk continuously for up to 3 hours. 1995. CRD 500. 1996. D317. 1997. 507G ultra-thin 19mm smart body. With two thoughtful functions, you can always keep your manners in mind. HD40H. 1999. C201H, you can easily send and receive emails and search for information with just this one device. 2000. C302H, a pleasant, kinari sound played with 4 chords. Easy access and C-mail can also be easily accessed with one key. C309H, you can download 16-chord ring melodies. An advanced model with a large colorful 256-color LCD screen. 2001. C3001H GPS mobile phone with a large capacity of approximately 1 megabyte. C451H experienced the authentic game with powerful sound. C407H, it lights up in 7 colors according to the melody. 2002. SHP 300. 2003. A 5303H, a movie mobile phone with an arrow form, angle-free camera, and an LCD screen. A 5303H2, equipped with high-brightness LED twin lights. Continuous shooting of up to 15 shots so you don't miss the best shot. W11H, a WIN model with a gentle form and function that is easy to use. SHG 1000 is a single-mode CDMA pocket PC smartphone manufactured by Hitachi and released on Sprint PCS. It was the second and final Hitachi-branded phone released in the United States. 2004. W21H, equipped with a megapixel camera in a compact body. W22H, a slide mobile phone that has the perfect combination of function and design. O's first slide style. Equipped with stereo speakers. HTG 988. HTG 830. HTG 660. HTG 100. HTG 200. (2005). W32H Music mobile phone compatible with Easy Felicia. You can import songs from CDs to your mobile phone. Equipped with immersive 3D surround stereo speakers. HTG E758. Pank, one of the first phones equipped with stereo speakers. 2006. W41H 2.7-inch wide LCD compatible with terrestrial digital broadcasting 1 seg. W42H Kiriki mobile phone with custom bangle included. W43H a high-quality 1 seg mobile phone that allows you to enjoy 1 seg and Easy Channel Plus. 2007. W43H2 high-quality 1 seg mobile phone that allows you to enjoy Easy News Flash. W51H equipped with 2.9-inch and high-definition wide VGA IPS liquid crystal. W52H, the beauty of images has evolved with WU high-quality technology. W53H slim body with a thickness of 14 mm. WU mobile phone is equipped with an organic EL display and is particular about 1 seg video. (2008) W61H transparent design with cosmetic goods motif. W62H stylish AV gear with organic EL display and 2-way open style. W63H equipped with a 3.1-inch wide VGA organic EL display and the latest high-quality engine. 2009. High-vision CAM WU photography with Japan's first high-definition movie camera. 3-way open style for comfortable shooting and viewing. H001 equipped with the world's first 3D compatible full-width VGA liquid crystal. (2010) Beskey includes 3 select keypads to choose from for ease of use. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel.